All right, so I just use this. I love this dang thing. The Perfectly Safe brush from DIY Detail. I have been using that for probably over a year. Right about when it came out, I ordered one. I actually ordered two because I knew I'd probably like it and I wanted to have a backup in case I trashed or this one got too worn out. But I just recently got their extension pull with it. This thing is light, super ergonomic. I love the thick handle on it. And I'm gonna capture some video from my Ring camera that I just took washing this. Okay, so you're skeptical, I know, but until you touch this brush and feel how soft these flag tips are, you really don't understand what kind of material you're working with. So yes, even as a detailer, maybe I wouldn't use it on the sides or the delicate black paint on a customer's vehicle, but for my old silver 2021 Ford Edge, perfectly safe and worked perfectly all over the body of this thing. And at 55 years old that I almost am coming this year, wow, what a back saver. The speed is amazing because you're hitting so many more areas than you would just with a mitt. But I'm gonna try to get some video and upload this thing. So I did a pre-treat with Bilt Hamber Touchless. So that gets the main grit and grime off, right guys? We know this. Get the grit off the vehicle so whatever wash media, towels, wash pad, brush, whatever's coming across those surfaces aren't going to be carrying grit. Really, all you're doing is removing the layer of film or traffic film from the wet, rainy roads, right? Well, this is not abrasive and we already removed the grit. So wow, what an amazing way to wash your vehicle. I might be sold for my own personal vehicles to just use this, do a hood, put it in the bucket, do a roof, put it in the bucket, rinse it, section, put it back in the bucket repeatedly as you'll see in the video. But wow, I'm so happy with this new extension pole. I just had a push broom rod screwed into it before, and I like being able to adjust this thing on the fly. 3 different sections here. There's other videos on the internet. I'm not going through the whole thing right now, but this thing folds out to about 4 feet long, or it gets very compact, but just love it. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, put them below. Thanks. So after a thorough rinse of the Bilt Hamber Touchless, I then foamed on a couple ounces of Incredible Suds, DIY Details, grape smelling, lubricating, great cleansing soap with the foam cannon. Now we have that lather still sticking to the vehicle. It makes it even safer for that brush to go across and clean the surfaces. I'll typically do, we'll call it the greenhouse, the hood, maybe the windshield, ABC pillars, roof, side glass, just the top half of the vehicle before we start dipping back in that dolly, bucket dolly that I have, doing section by section. And I got to give props to that bucket dolly from Armor Detail Supply. That dolly is well worth, I think it's about 35 bucks, but those large wheels on that thing just make it so easy to push around the vehicle. But one of my favorite spots to use this brush, and you guys know, is those really lower trim areas, the front, rear, sides. You're not bending over trying to clean those sections when you're getting to be that golden Buckeye age like I am. So a couple times I did find myself using it with the extension poles expanded a little longer. Sometimes I would shorten it down, but very, very happy with it. Let me know if you guys have tried it or used this new extension pole and what you think. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.